Hey everyone, welcome to today's edition of What's Happening on Asteria Engine. So right now you can add the Asteria AI onto your website. You can add your own engagement agent onto your website. Now this agent helps with customer support, it helps with sales, and it helps with lead generation. Here is an example of what it looks like if you have added it to your website. You can chat to it like you chat to any other assistant. Now what makes your own particular chat assistant different from anything else out there is the fact that it already has your brand voice, it has your brand memory, the same intelligence that it uses to answer your DMs, to reply to your comments, to craft your post and so on, is the same intelligence it uses to also support your customers and bring in leads. So ask a question and it will jump right onto it. You can browse your entire website, grab the information that needs grabbing, and also provide you with a link to what you need to do. So how do you add this to your website? For example, look, it's giving me a link here. So if I click on this link, it actually the exact link I need to know what I want to know. Now, so how do you then add this to your website specifically? Now, let's log on to Asteria Engine. When you log on to Asteria Engine, just go to your settings page. Yeah, go to your settings page and open up your website widget. So you will find website widget link here. Click onto that and you want to turn it on. Yeah, you want to turn it on and then scroll down and grab the snippet that you can add to your website. If you are using something like WordPress, you can use you can use code modules, or if you're using something like Elementor or Divi Builder or any other builder out there, you can use code snippet to add this onto your website. So that's all you need to do. All your configuration you need to do is copy this and add it just before the body of your website. Now, if you've built your website using any AI agent, just copy this and give to the AI agent. The AI agent would know exactly where to put it. And you will have Asteria Engine live on your website, helping your customer and bringing you a lot more leads. Okay, so if you've done that and you don't like our greeting, the default one, you can override this. You can change the color of your widget by clicking on here and picking a color of your choice. You can change the title to maybe the agent's name, so you can actually give the agent a name if you want. You can override the greeting, the kind of greeting that you want it to give to people. You can override it. The proactive nudge is something that the widget would do when someone visits your website. You kind of pop up and say, hey, I'm here, if you need something I will help you out, and so on. So you can also limit your own workspace daily conversation cap per visitor IP. So this would help you avoid abuse. And finally, if you do not want this to be used on any of your other domains, so I know some brands do have many domains. If you want this to be used on just one particular domain, for example, if I want this to be used only on asteriaengine.com, all I need to do is put asteriaengine.com, and this will be used only on my website. Now, if even if you put that snippet on someone else's website, as long as it's not asteriaengine.com, it will not load up at all. So this also helps to protect you. All right, now if for any reason you feel like your key has been compromised, now obviously this is safe to be public, yeah, but if you feel like you want a new key, just click on rotate key and you grab yourself a new key, put it back on your website, and you should be ready to go. So it's that simple. And as soon as you get it sorted, it actually looks like this. And the good news is it remembers who has visited and it keeps track of what is going on. So a visitor that comes back actually can pick up from where they left off. Yeah. Look at that. It says, welcome back. Last time we talked about, startup plan pricing and so on and so forth. So it kind of summarizes, what, I had spoken, to the AI about previously. So if you're excited, if you have any other website or you want any sort of implementation and you need our help, our team, we are more than capable and we are happy to help you to get to where you need to be. If you need us to help you with implementation, just let us know the technology you use. We will send the relevant guide and make sure we get you running as soon as possible. All right. Thanks everyone for watching and have a lovely